Alright, so my mouth is full. Eating some breakfast. So I just drove in. There was a huge windstorm came through this area a few days ago. My neighbors had a number of trees come down, and luckily and sort of unluckily, all I had were a lot of branches. I was kind of almost hoping that I've got 3 dead elm trees that need to be taken down, and I was kind of hoping they would have blown over. Sort of. They're still mostly standing. Oh dear, actually there's a danger. There's a massive branch just waiting to be knocked out of its perch. So have to deal with that. This would make for some nice live edge woodcuts. Alright, so I'm just going into the hives to, let me see here. I've got some spacers that I need to remove. Today is less than ideal, but I'm going to be popping lids very quick. If I wait another week, it's going to be way too cold to do this. So yeah, I just had some 2-inch spacers on top of the, oh shit. It's raining. Maybe I'm not going to do this. Okay, well, if it doesn't rain too hard, I'm going to do it quick anyways. I've got some 2-inch spacers in between the inner cover and the hive boxes, and that was to feed them sugar water a few weeks back. And when it stops raining, I'll be doing that. Oh, go away, rain. Suck a duck. Oh, suck a duck. Duck? I don't think it's gonna last long. Could be worse, could be snow. Snow on Monday. Suck a duck. Oh man, winter. Alright, it's literally about 2 minutes later and the sun is shining and the rain has stopped, so I'm gonna try this again. It's the old sugar bag. I'm gonna quickly check their stores. Hoping this hive's gonna be okay. It might be a little light. Might be a little light. I'm gonna have to put a sugar board in their candy board. this side's a little tricky. What do you think, buddy? It's snow, hail, raining out. Snow, hail, raining out. Got the hives tended to, and basically packed up everything that can't really stay here for the winter. I'll be up here, of course, all through the winter months, but yeah, basically nailing down the hatches and waiting for old man winter to make his rotten appearance. It's a long weekend next weekend, so I'll be up enjoying the weekend and hopefully getting some work done. So it's a nice enough day. Got some stuff done here, and always nice to be in the woods. All right, cheers. Happy off-gridding.